In this video, we'll add kitchen appliances and kitchenware. Open the catalog and go to Electronic Devices, Kitchen Appliances, Cooktop. Scroll through the gallery and choose either an electric or gas cooktop. Drag it onto the countertop. Next, let's add a microwave. We'll also probably need a kettle. Return to the kitchen catalog and go to Kitchenware, Railings and Wall Storage. Add a few items from this section. Continue exploring the catalog to furnish and decorate your dream kitchen.